You are going to love the 2023 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, privacy glass, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires rear all season, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified Program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.